Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video will show you how to remove iPhone from the Apple device list. 4 ways are introduced here. Way 1. Use iPhone settings to remove devices. Unlock your iPhone and tap Settings. Tap your Apple account. Scroll down and choose the iPhone you want to remove. Tap Remove from Account. OK. Tap Remove to confirm it. In seconds, the iPhone will be removed from your Apple list. Way to use the Apple account page on the web. Head to appleid.apple.com on any browser. Then sign in to your Apple account. If it asks you for the two-factor authentication, just do it. OK, go to the right menu and click the Devices option. Click the iPhone to remove it. Click Remove from Account and confirm it. Way 3. Use iCloud to remove iPhone from Apple. Log in to iCloud.com with your Apple account. Click your account name. Go to the Apple settings. Click Devices. Select the iPhone. Click the option, Remove from Account. Confirm it and it will remove it from your Apple list. Way 4. Use a third-party tool to remove Apple. Just visit iSendShare.com and find iPhone Passcode Genius. iSendShare iPhone Passcode Genius can help to remove Apple from an activated iPhone when you forget the passcode. Download and install it on your computer. If Find My iPhone is enabled and your iPhone iOS version is 11.4 or later, you need to enable two-factor authentication. Now let's go. OK, now connect the iPhone to your computer. Launch the software. Click Remove Apple. Click Start. Make sure screen lock is on. Enter 0000 and click the Next button. Make sure two-factor authentication is on. C. Two-factor authentication is on. Enter 0000 and click the Next button. You need to download the firmware package online. Click the Download button. Pay attention to the note. If everything is OK, click the Remove button. When the unlocking process is complete, your iPhone restarts. Click Next and you will get the steps to unlock Apple with device passcode. Tap Unlock with passcode. Tap Use device passcode. Enter the screen passcode to continue. OK, now the Apple lid is removed successfully. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.